look. It's a clue. Right here on this, what do we have here? Is this green and purple?
No, black and white.
Oh, yeah. What do you know? Black and white. Now we need our handy-dandy
Notebook.
Right. Ooh. First, I'll use my white crayon. So, a curvy shape that we can color in for white. Then we use our black crayon for this shape. There, black and white. So, we're trying to figure out what animal Blue wants to learn about. And our first clue is black and white. So, what animal could Blue want to learn about with black and white? Maybe. I think we need to find some more clues to figure this out.
Steve, we need your help.
That sounds like Shovel and Pail. Come on.
A clue! Right there.
A clue? Oh, you see a clue. Where?
Right there.
Oh, right here on this, what is this?
Ice.
Ice. Very nice. We need our handy-dandy notebook. Right. Okay, ice. So, we draw the outline of a block of ice, then squiggly lines inside. And we have ice. So, we're trying to figure out what animal Blue wants to learn about. What was our first clue?
Black and white.
Black and white. Right. And now we have ice. Nice. So what animal could Blue want to learn about with black and white and ice? Possibly. I think we need to find one more clue. The mail's here. Let's be chickens. I'm a crab. Steve the crab.
A clue.
Oh, it is a clue. But what is it doing? Is it kind of scuttling? Like we are?
No.
No. Well, it's not hopping, like the frog. Is it kind of waddling, like this?
Yes.
Yeah, you're right. It is. It's waddling. So, waddling is our third clue. You know what we need? Our handy-dandy notebook. Right. Okay, waddling. We can draw little footsteps with some ovals here, like this. And then some lines for the motion. And we have it. A waddling motion. Our third clue. Waddling. Hey, our final clue. We have all three clues. We're ready to sit in our
Thinking chair.
thinking chair. Right, come on.